Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down 5 different ways that you can make money using TikTok. Now, you don't wanna go anywhere, guys, because if you're looking for ways to get started with no money, I'm gonna show you a few of these ways that you can get started with literally $0. So if you're interested in finding ways to increase your income, your impact, or your influence, you're a business owner or an inspiring entrepreneur, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell next to it. That way you're notified each and every time we launch a new video. So tip number 1, create content on TikTok that's relevant to your business, that promotes your goods, your services, or even your brick and mortar store. Now, you can do so by the theme of content that you're creating, by the music that you're using, as well as even the hashtags. This is gonna help your audience discover you and find you. Now, right now, even though TikTok is not that new and it's been around for a while, it's one of the newer social media platforms, which means there's more people using it than people who are actually creating, right? There's more users than there are creators. So all you need is one piece of content to actually go viral. You can see right here, I'm gonna show you one video that I did when I was getting started that got over 1 million views, and it has nothing to do with selling on Amazon or real estate or entrepreneurship. It was just a video of a dog, and it got 1 million views in just a few days. So all you have to do is put out content and make sure that you're consistent. Once you start getting your users, once you start getting your fan base, you can start to promote your business. Another tip is make sure that you're cross-promoting your different social medias. This may seem very, very simple or common sense. However, I see so many legitimate businesses, even large businesses, that are not proportionally using their social media and definitely not cross-promoting their social media. So what do we mean by cross-promoting social media? Well, promoting TikTok on Instagram and vice versa, and make sure that you're utilizing all these platforms. Number 2 is to focus on building your audience and growing an audience and then selling promotions. Let's say you don't have a business, you don't have a brand, you don't know what you want to do, but you have some free time, you have a smartphone, and you want to roll in some cash. Well, what you can do is literally look on TikTok in the search bar and see what is trending and try to replicate things that are trending on TikTok. So whether it's a how-to video or it's a dance or it's a specific song or something that's trending, try to replicate success, and sometimes you can go viral. All you need is a few viral videos to go ahead and create an audience. We see people growing by tens of thousands per month right now because, as we previously mentioned, there's so many users and consumers and barely any content creators. So once you build up and you establish an audience, what you can do is actually sell shout outs or sell promotions to other brands, businesses, or even influencers. Now, this is one of my favorite ways of growing my social media accounts, and I've actively done this across Instagram and Facebook for not only my personal brand, but also my other brands. Another way that you can make money on TikTok without any money, as long as you have a phone, is by creating accounts, growing them, and then selling them. Now, there's a bunch of people that do this on Instagram and make good money, believe it or not, by growing these Instagram accounts with real followers and then selling them to other brands or other influencers. So you can ride the wave, grow these TikTok brands or TikTok pages, and actually sell them. And something that you can do that's even quicker is you can think of different influencers, different celebrities, actors, musicians, so on and so forth, and actually go and get their names if it's available, and then reach out to their managers and actually try to sell these names. I know I'm actively looking for my name, and whenever I start on a new social media platform, I'm actively looking for my name, and it is very important when it comes to branding to make sure that you have your name across all social media platforms. You don't want Josh69, Josh loves soccer, Josh 85372. You don't want all these different Joshes, you just want Josh across the board. If you can do so, that's gonna help your brand notoriety, that's gonna help you with your branding. So if you can think of any cool names that are particularly short or names of important people, you can always secure those accounts, and then you can reach out to them and actually sell them. Or you can just put them live and put in the bio, if you're interested in buying this name, DM me or email me, right? And you can actually create emails that are specific to that account to help with organization if you are doing this with a bunch of accounts. Number 4 is consulting or managing. Now, if you really get the ball rolling and you're starting to grow and you figure out TikTok's algorithm and you figure out how to ride trending data and content that's trending, what you can actually do is you can grow these accounts quickly, and then you can actually use that as your portfolio for consulting. You can reach out to businesses who have huge networks, who have huge followings elsewhere, but may not even be on TikTok, and reach out to them by finding their business email or their managers and reaching out to them via email saying, "Hi, my name is Joshua Crisp. I noticed that you're across Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and I don't see you on TikTok." Give them a little bit of data about TikTok and how it's growing and how you can get them results fast. You want to make sure that you can make them a promise that you can deliver on. Don't sell them the world. I always recommend under promise and over deliver. And if you can start out with a trial and get them some type of quick win, that's always a plus as well. For instance, hey, you may not know me or heard of me, but I see that you have social media platforms across the board, but you're not using TikTok. Well, I have an agency and I consult in helping brands grow their TikTok audience. And what I'd like to do is to give you a test. I'd like to give you your first 1,000 followers on TikTok, complimentary on me, just to prove to you what I can do for you. And this is gonna help with your depth of market, your brand notoriety, and you can turn these followers into customers. Let me know if you're interested. Reach out to me via this phone number or this email. A simple script like that, and now you just need to reach out to a bunch of different brands, different influencers, different companies, and sooner or later you're gonna get a bite, and that's gonna translate to money. Now, you already have a proof of concept and there's no upfront capital required, so it's all profit. Another viable option is actually management. Some of these companies don't have a social media manager or don't have a manager that is tech savvy. Maybe it's a small startup, maybe it's a small business, or maybe it's a chiropractor and they don't have a budget for social media or for hiring managers, so on and so forth, but they want to ride the wave and they want to do something to increase their exposure and increase their revenue. So you can reach out to these different companies, these different influencers, so on and so forth, and not only offer consulting, you can also offer management and reach out to them and say, hey, well, if you have a manager, I can consult on what to do, I can help them, we can consult and make sure that we're increasing the results that you're getting and help you get better results, or we have an option where we can just handle everything for you. If you're interested, let me know which would be best for you, which option you think would suit you and your business needs best. Either or, we're here to help you. Now, the difference between consulting and managing is consulting, you're basically consulting on telling them what to do. You have a proof of concept, you've gotten results, and you're explaining what they need to do. You're identifying what they're doing and what they need to do differently in order to receive more better results. Now, with the management side of things, you're actually taking things over and you're doing it for them. So it's pretty much hands off for that business owner or that influencer. Number 5, guys, is you can run TikTok ads for yourself, or you can do ads management for others. Now, obviously, if you're gonna run the ads for yourself, you're gonna promote your goods, your service, your business, whatever it is, that product that you have, whether it's physical or digital. And if you don't have any of those products, what you can do is you can learn the platform by watching YouTube videos, watching books, getting inside of the ad account, playing around with small budgets, and studying. That way you get the ins and outs of the dashboard. Media buying is a very profitable business for someone to do who just has a computer and has some free time because there's no overhead. You're literally using a company or an influencer's budget. You're not paying for the ads. All you're doing is you're managing the account for them, and they're paying you based off of monthly retainer or based off of the amount of money that they spend. How you choose to structure your media arrangement is up to you. So do some due diligence. I'm sure you can find different videos around on YouTube, but however you want to structure it, that's up to you. Again, I highly recommend giving your gift away. If you started and you got this thing dialed in and there's not really any other TikTok agencies or TikTok media buyers, what I highly suggest is that you give them a week for free, 2 weeks for free, a month for free, or whatever you see fit. By getting them a small win, they're gonna be more loyal and they're gonna be more acceptable to paying you for your services. Full transparency, right now TikTok advertisement is in beta and there is a few countries that are not open yet. So all you have to do is go to tiktok.com/ads or type in TikTok ads into Google and it should pop up in the top results. Click on it, fill out the information, and see if it's available in your country. If not, make sure you get on the list so when it opens up, you can start playing around, familiarizing yourself, and learning the platform. So there you have it, guys. That's 5 different tips on how you can get started with TikTok and make money, irregardless if you have a brand, if you have a company, if you have a physical product, a digital product, or if you have no money whatsoever and you're trying to find ways to make money online from anywhere in the world using just your laptop. If you like videos like these, guys, make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you click that notification bell next to it. That way, YouTube will notify you each and every time we have new content coming out that's gonna show you how to increase your income, your impact, and your influence. I'll see you in the next video, guys.